Right, well, hey, I've just put your food up there on the shelf. What's going on? What's going on? Let me just get me drink. Right. Just put the food up there because Hetty and Daisy are coming in. So I put a few bits on the floor and Lucky's picking it up. Bella's sat out there. Freezing cold this morning. So I'm just ready to go. So I'm going to go in a minute. And get some work done. Right, have you finished? What are you doing there, young lady? I'm just waiting for Hetty and Daisy coming in for a minute to say hello. And then I'm on my way. So we've got a lot to do today. Haven't we, girls? Oh. Hey, what's going on in there? Bella's in there. Bella's in there. Just heard a noise. I thought she was outside. Right. That was a surprise. Come on. What's going on? Come on, I thought you were outside. Come on, young lady. I'm trying to get sorted out. I thought you were outdoors. I don't know. Right, here we go. I think she's gone to bed. Come on, she's messing about in there. Right, so it's not raining. That's a good start. So here we go. Let's open up and see what's happening. Right, anybody coming in, anybody going out? Are you coming in, Belle, or coming out? Are you coming out? Come on. Here's Hetty. Hello, Het. Yes, I've put you. Hey, hello, Daisy. Right. Bella and Lucky scarper when them two come in. Don't they? They scarper when you show your face, don't they? Yes. I mean, none of it, are they? Let's just shut the door a minute. Right, I'm ready to go, so it's just a quick hello. Let's get my shoes on to start with. Let's get my shoe on to start with. Right. There you go. Right, it's a cold day, ladies, isn't it? A very cold day. So you'll have to get in your house today, won't you? Hey, what is going on in there? What's going on in here? These two are playing up in here. I'll show you what I mean. Yes, I'm just saying what's going on in there, aren't I? All I can hear is bang, 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 bang. Right. What's going on in here? It's you and your mum, is it? Right. Right, here we go. It's here. It's you, it's Bella. Right, here's your ball. What's happened to the rug? I don't know. And here's your other ball as well. That's what all the noise is. Right, I think your mum's gone back to bed. Bella, calm down a bit. Calm down a bit, young lady. Yes, I wondered what all the noise was. I wondered what all the noise was. It's you, isn't it? Messing about with these. 1 and 2, let it go. Right. She's a nightmare for it in a Monday night. Right, I'll leave you with it because I've got stuff to do. Come on, Dave. Right. What a start to the day. Come on, sweet pea, let's get organised. Come on then, we'll open up, let you set you free again. We'll set you free. I've just put all your stuff out there, haven't I? Yes, all your breakfast is out there. Corn, meal, lettuce, brand new. Mealworms, I know. Right, I'll see you later. I'm going to have to go. See you in a bit. She's off to lay me an egg, I think. She goes in there.